Via and pad, especially on like BGAs, those are usually issues. If we see micro-BGAs, like glass-topped micro-BGAs, we'll start looking at what steps need to be taken on production just to make sure we can mitigate any issues on the floor. Overage issues, if we know that there's really, really small parts like 0201s, 10005s, we'll make sure that we're getting the right amount of overage just to make sure that we're not shooting ourselves in the foot later on during assembly.
Yeah. So what the VN pads, what in assembly, what comes up for you in that area?
So typically if you have via in pad, what will happen is after you paste your boards and you place your parts and you reflow it, it actually gives a little cavity for that solder to go down into, preventing a really good connection on the actual part. And when you have BGAs or bottom terminal components that have connections underneath the part, it's a lot harder to rework and a lot harder to fix.